Hello all, we are going to upload WordPress basic to advanced. If you wanna learn WordPress basic to advanced, you can follow these videos. Okay, and in this video we'll cover and these terms. And if you wanna after watching these videos, you can make your own website. Even if you wanna make website for your clients, you can. Okay, so and in this video step by step I will explain everything. If you watch this playlist, you can get a lot of knowledge. Okay, and first of all, we know that what is WordPress. Okay, WordPress is a open source software. I mean that it's a software where we can changes, we can do whatever we want, we can do there. It's a application like this, you can see. And this is the WordPress dashboard, and from here we can do any changes of our website. Okay, that means therefore it's called open source software. And to use this software you do not need any cost. You don't need pay for using this software. Okay, and also it is a CMS. It is WordPress is a CMS. You know that there are lot of CMS like Joomla, Wix, Shopify, right? These are CMS, and it is also CMS. CMS means content management system, from where we can change anything, right? Like this, and here it's a dashboard of the WordPress. From here you can change anything, right? And now you can see that, so it's a popular tool for individuals without any coding knowledge who want to build website and blogs. That if you wanna create any website, you don't need any coding knowledge, you don't need any skill about the codings. Without coding knowledge you can create any website for you, for your clients. Okay, it's a better, right? Because of you don't need any coding knowledge. And also you can use this free. Okay, and now you know that how many websites are there. You can imagine how many websites are there. From that, around 474 billion websites are built on the WordPress. You can imagine, that means how many websites are available there. From there, 474 billion websites are built, created by the WordPress. Okay, you can imagine. And now here you can see, if you wanna start freelancing, and for your client you'll create website, so whether you will get jobs or not, you can say. Okay, on the marketplace there are a lot of jobs. Also, if you wanna do job, to any private company, you can do this, right? So now, and here you can see WordPress was released on May 27, 2003. Okay, it started on these times, right? Now let me show what about the jobs opportunity on the marketplace. Let me show Fiverr marketplace, Upwork. Okay, what about jobs? And here we can see talent. Let me select job options, and then here you can see these are WordPress related jobs. Okay, these are active jobs. So if I scroll, you can see these are active jobs. These are active jobs. Now I can see there are a lot of jobs active on the Fiverr, Upwork marketplace. That means you'll get a lot of jobs if you learn WordPress. So in this playlist, in this video, this video will teach you and show you step by step about the WordPress. If you watch this tutorial, you will learn a lot of things. Even you can create your own, own website for for your clients. Okay, so to use WordPress, you can say you need domain or hosting. No, to practice we'll use local server. Okay, like like jam or any server will use local server to use. Therefore we do not need any uh, i mean uh, hosting or domain. So let me explain what is domain name. Domain name is nothing, it's a URL of any website. So if you consider youtube.com, youtube.com is a URL, right? So it is a domain name. And if you consider facebook.com, Facebook is a URL, right? Address, right, where we can go to the Facebook. That means Facebook, and this is the YouTube is a domain name. And then if you go to the Facebook, and also it is a domain name. So we can say that domain name is nothing, it's a URL or address of any website. Well, you can say that what is hosting. Let me explain hosting. What is hosting? So hosting is nothing, hosting is a actually storage. Hosting is a live server or storage. Hosting basically provides our storage to store or host files, website files like content, images, videos, right? We store on the hosting. So hosting basically provide us some hosting storage or memories, and where we can keep our website. Okay, so we can say that in a one word, hosting provides us memory or storage, and where we can store or keep our website file, and that is called hosting. Okay, so I hope you can understand what I explained so far. So next video will show how to install WordPress on the local server. So see you next video.